Imagine a world where your digital assistant doesn't just respond to commands, but anticipates your needs, solves complex problems, and works seamlessly across all your devices. Welcome to the future of intelligent assistants with Microsoft AI agents. In this video, we'll take you through an exciting demo of Microsoft's latest AI technology, showcasing how these agents are transforming the way we work, live, and interact with technology. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are Microsoft AI agents? Microsoft AI agents are advanced intelligent assistants powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional chatbots or voice assistants, these agents are designed to understand context, learn from interactions, and perform complex tasks autonomously. Whether it's managing your schedule, analyzing data, or even coding, Microsoft AI agents are here to make your life easier and more productive. Part 2. Key features of Microsoft AI agents. Let's explore the standout features that make Microsoft AI agents a game changer. 1. Contextual understanding. These agents can understand the context of your requests, making interactions feel more natural and intuitive. 2. Multitasking. Capabilities. From scheduling meetings to generating reports, Microsoft AI agents can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. 3. Cross-platform integration. Whether you're on your laptop, smartphone, or smart home device, these agents work seamlessly across all platforms. 4. Learning and adaptation. Microsoft AI agents learn from your preferences and behaviors, becoming more personalized and efficient over time. 5. Advanced problem solving. These agents can analyze data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights, making them invaluable for both personal and professional use. Part 3. Demo. Microsoft AI agents in action. Now, let's dive into a live demo to see Microsoft AI agents in action. Scenario 1. Smart scheduling. 1. User. Hey, Microsoft AI, schedule a meeting with John next week. 2. AI agent. Sure, I see John is available on Tuesday at 2 p.m. and Thursday at 10 a.m. Which works best for you? 3. User, Tuesday at 2 p.m. AI agent. Done. I've scheduled the meeting and sent an invite to John. Would you like me to set a reminder? Scenario 2. Data analysis. 1. User. Can you analyze last quarter's sales data and highlight key trends? 2. AI agent. Absolutely. I've analyzed the data and identified a 15% increase in sales in the European market. Would you like a detailed report? 3. User. Yes, please. 4. AI agent. Here's the report. I've also included recommendations for maximizing growth in the next quarter. Scenario 3. Coding assistance. 1. User. Help me write a Python script to analyze this dataset. 2. AI agent. Sure. Here's a Python script that loads the dataset, cleans it, and performs basic analysis. Would you like me to explain any part of the code? 3. User. Yes, explain the data cleaning steps. 4. AI agent. The script removes missing values and standardizes the data format to ensure accurate analysis. Scenario 4. Personalized recommendations. 1. User. What's the best way to spend my weekend? 2. AI agent. Based on your preferences, I recommend visiting the new art exhibit downtown, followed by dinner at your favorite Italian restaurant. I've already checked availability and can make reservations if you'd like. Part 4. Benefits of Microsoft AI agents. Microsoft AI agents offer numerous benefits for both individuals and businesses. 1. Increased productivity. By automating routine tasks, these agents free up time for more meaningful work. 2. Enhanced decision-making. With advanced data analysis capabilities, Microsoft AI agents provide valuable insights to support decision-making. 3. Personalized experiences. These agents adapt to your preferences, delivering tailored recommendations and solutions. 4. Seamless integration. Microsoft AI agents work across all your devices, ensuring a consistent and cohesive experience. 5. Scalability. Whether you're an individual or a large enterprise, these agents can scale to meet your needs. Part 5. The future of Microsoft AI agents. The potential of Microsoft AI agents is limitless. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced features such as 1. Emotional intelligence. AI agents that can understand and respond to emotions, making interactions even more human-like. 2. Industry-specific solutions. Tailored AI agents for healthcare, finance, education, and more, addressing unique challenges in each field. 3. Collaborative AI. Agents that can work together to solve complex problems both within and across organizations. 4. Ethical AI. Continued focus on ensuring that AI agents operate transparently, fairly, and responsibly. Outro, summary and call to action. Microsoft AI agents are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, offering intelligent, personalized, and efficient solutions for everyday tasks. From smart scheduling to advanced data analysis, these agents are setting a new standard for what AI can achieve. What excites you most about Microsoft AI agents? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. The future is here, and it's powered by Microsoft AI agents.